So the next thing that we will do is we will create our own Git Mad1 repository. So I will create a Mad1 repository. We'll go to GitHub desktop. Can't find this. No, this is not what I want. So I click on add over here and I will go to create a new repository. So I will name it as Mad1. This would be bootcamp demo. Bootcamp demo morning and path is desktop. Create a git ignore. So it's better if you create get ignore. Select any one of those languages, that doesn't matter. Initialize readme, it's always a good idea to create an initialize readme. License, keep it none, and create repository. Okay, so now I have created it. Now I will go to desktop, and in my desktop I will see that Mad1 uh, repo has been created over here. Okay, so Mad1 repo has been created. Now to set up your working environment, we need to create a first an environment, Python environment to start working with our for our project. Do not use your global my Python environment. That will cause a lot of problems. Okay, so we will just write CMD. So you can just click on this address bar or URL bar, whatever you want to call it, and write CMD, and it will open command prompt for you over here. Okay. So now over here we are going to create a virtual Python environment. So we'll just write. Uh, I hope everyone has Python installed in their system. Please tell me that everyone has Python installed in their system. I'm taking yours.
Yes,
Okay.
it is installed.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine. That's a good thing. If Python is not installed, we can't move forward. Anyway, so Mad1. So we'll just first write Python dot uh, dash make dash venv and give it a name virtual environment. Sorry, env, and give it a name. So I will just put a dot. Let's say Mad1, and I will click enter. So you can see that dot Mad1 in folder has been created. It's gonna take some time. So it's creating a virtual environment for uh, Mad1. Okay. So now we have our virtual environment file uh, created. So now what we will activate this Mad1 environment first. Install all our dependencies and libraries. 1 minute. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so to activate, you just have to go to your environment. So dot backslash and environment name. Environment name is Mad1 backslash. You put scripts and then you say activate and click enter. So you will see that you have this dot mad one over here, and you are right now in your virtual environment for your Python. Okay. So was everyone able to create this environment, this virtual environment, and activate it?
Yes, sir, we did.
Okay, so no problem with it, right? Okay,
Activated.
okay, great, great, great. Okay, so now we will be installing the first.
Sir, I said not activated.
It's not
Sir.
activated for you. Okay, can you screen?
No, to enter that activation. Can you share?
Oh, what?
I didn't write that activation command.
Oh,
Can
okay,
you
okay,
share again?
okay, yeah, yeah. Sure, sure. So this is the activation code. It's dot slash. Then your virtual environment name, you can name it anything. I have put a dot mad one. Scripts and activate.
Yes, done. Done.
Done, right? Okay. Okay. So now we will go to the first. Now we will install our first repository. That is class. So class. um, Sorry. Yeah. So pip install class. So this is your pip install class. Click on it and paste it over here. And as you install, yeah, yeah, everything has been installed successfully. So as you install, you create a new, text document and call it requirement.txt. Requirements.txt, and paste all the names of your libraries that you will be using. So I use class, so I'm going to write class over here and keep it and save it. Okay, as you go along, as you install new dependencies, new libraries, just add their names over here. Okay, so we have get ignore, and also go to your get ignore. Yeah, get ignore. You can remove all of these things, and just put uh, dot mad one and click save. Okay, so this will ignore mad one, and okay, let's open this folder. Yeah, select folder. Yeah, so this will ignore this mad one folder, and it will not try to send it to GitHub. Never send your environment folder to GitHub. Not required, because there are tons and tons. Your libraries are going to be huge. It's going to become like 2-3 GBs of uh, GBs. So not at all required. What you need to do is activate this environment and use requirement.txt to install all the required dependencies. So you can see that I have only gitignore and requirement.txt file as ones that need to be sent to GitHub. Okay, so this is one thing that I wanted to show. Okay, so requirement.txt is done, and one very important thing is your browser setup. Okay, so over here in your browser, this is something that lot of students face problem, and they don't know why. I've seen this in last few sessions also. That is that they have tons and tons of extensions installed in their browsers. Okay. Or they might have some other kind of plugins installed, and that will cause a lot of problems while you're developing your app. The JavaScript, you will get a lot of JavaScript errors. You won't be able to debug. You won't be knowing where the error is coming from. So I suggest you install or you work on a browser that is very clean. And by which I mean is that you just install it and keep it as it is. Something like Firefox. You can, if you don't use Firefox, install Firefox. Like I'm just saying that install a new browser, any browser. It can be any browser of your choice, and work on that. Don't work on the browser that you are already using, because you might have installed a lot of plugins, extensions, and either you turn those all of them off, or it's better to install a new browser and uh, work on that browser. Okay, so that is the setup that you need to do to start working with your project file. I hope that was easy to understand. And if you guys have any doubts, we will take it right now. Let me just stop the recording